Large format training is guiding the delegates on how best to fit large format tiles in their everyday working lives. Follow the guidelines, let it soak in, it will be perfect every time.
The course is aimed at tilers, so professional tilers that are now wanting to take the next step up, the next level. This will give you the feeling that it isn't anything to be nervous about if you've got the right equipment, the right types of tiles, and of course our materials. The great thing about Mapei spaces, they're all colour coded.
We start with surface preparation, be it that walls or floors, how to do that, and then we guide the delegates through which adhesives work best with which tiles. Once we've established that, we talk them through which tools to use to fix those tiles. At the end of it, we tell them which tools to use to grout and obviously to clean as well with our autoclear range. That's what we want the bond strength.
Definitely going to take loads away from it, put it into practice and hopefully further my career in the tiling industry.
If somebody was thinking to come, I would definitely recommend it to come and do not hesitate. The industry going forward, there are new techniques, new materials, and you have to keep it up.
The course exceeded expectations, really informative, really hands-on. Yeah, really great day all in all, 100% recommend.